Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the Chopper Block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Philly cheesesteak omelet. That's right, VELDOGGS style. Alright, let me show you the cheese. I have some cheddar and mozzarella right here. This white cheddar and mozzarella. I have 4 eggs. I have some this is some mild salsa. Sorry about that. This is just some sea salt, pink sea salt, some red pepper flakes, some olive oil, some butter, some onion. I have like 3 rings of onion that I'm gonna slice up. I'm gonna dice them up a little bit. And right here is my Philly cheesesteak. Now, I made this the other night. I didn't make a recipe on it, but what I did with this Philly cheesesteak, I made a Philly cheesesteak stuffed potato. That's what I did with this. This have like olives and green. I mean, you don't have green onions. It have olives and mushroom and what else? Oh, some sauteed onions with garlic in this. Okay, that's what I put in this. All right, but I'll leave you a recipe somewhere over here to how to make that. It may not have the olives in it, okay, and probably have some green peppers too with it. So, but it's just as good. All right, so let's jump into it. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Should have showed you this at the table. I got my eggs in this thing right here, but I have like a mixer right there, a hand mixer. You just go in there. And that's it. Come in here with some olive oil, about that much. I'm gonna come in here with some butter, about that much worth of butter. Make sure you get it on the sides. Like so. Like this. You can go like this. Right. What we want to do is start pouring this in here. If you never had a mixer, you need to get one. I'm telling you, it's excellent. We're just gonna cook this guy to start thickening up and all that stuff. I got mine on 3. This is the electric stove. And I'm just going to let it do what it do, okay? So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm going to start pulling this. Outside in. I should use my non-stick skillet. When you make the eggs like this, real creamy like that, they stick for some odd reason. But we'll see what it do. Have to put a little bit more olive oil on it, and around the side here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put a little salt and the other stuff on it. taste to it. Like that. All right. So I'm gonna take my onion. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just microwave. Like you could have sauteed. I should have sauteed my onion first, but I didn't. So I'm just going ahead and microwave my stuff here. All right. I'm gonna put my onions in here. Since I messed up and didn't saute the onion, that's why I did that first. All right, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this stuff on here, like so. And we're gonna pop this. We're gonna put the cheese on there, and we're gonna pop it in the oven on low setting. This is enough to feed 2 people. So yeah, try it out. Put my cheese on here. And finish cooking the rest of the way. Alright fam, go ahead and put this in the oven. And then it's finished cooking. And I'll show you the finished product. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this Philly cheesesteak omelet. But this is how it looks, guys. Okay. Okay guys, there it goes. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys make it. And it's super good. I already know because the Philly cheesesteak is off the chain. Okay? So anyway guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget that that's right. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out of here.